Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get and use ChatGPT on your Android phone. So this is really easy to do. Let's go on over to our phone and then open up a web browser. So I'm going to choose Google Chrome and open this up. Now in the URL, type in chat.openai.com and then press enter. And then you'll be brought to this homepage here for ChatGPT where you can sign in or you can sign up. So I have an account, so I'm going to log in. And then finally, I can type in a message right here to start using ChatGPT. Now, to actually get this onto your device and use it really easy, go to the three little dots in the upper right side of the screen. Then scroll on down until we get to Add to Home Screen and select this. Then type in what you want to go ahead and name the icon. So I'm going to name this just ChatGPT and then go to Add to Home Screen. And I can see ChatGPT right here. It's a shortcut to the website, and I can start using it real quick. So all I have to do is select this and then open it up. So let's open up ChatGPT, and then I can start using it just like an app. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.